Hi, everybody. If you're watching this video, you probably want to learn how to copy and paste multiple links, right? So especially if you're in SEO or you're just doing some research, copying Google results is a very common process and perhaps time consuming, especially if you have to do it one by one, just like this. All right, so I want to introduce you to LinkClump. All right, LinkClump is an extension for Chrome, and very recently, it's also been added to Firefox. And so for this video, I'm going to use Chrome, but they're going to both work in almost the same exact manner. All right, so after you install LinkClump, you're going to see it up here on the top right. This is the icon, and I suggest going to the options first. And in fact, before I show you the options, let's just see it in action. Okay, so as I was showing you, what we could do is just to say, hey, let's copy all of these links here, right? So it can literally copy everything. Maybe you don't want everything. That's going to be up to you. You're going to have to perhaps pick and choose what you copy, where you copy, but just like that, we're done, right? So very easy. Now, I highly recommend going to the options first. They give you a little test area so that you can make sure the settings are working correctly on your computer, right? So that is success. And just to quickly walk through the options, of course, in each one of these Chrome or Firefox pages, they do explain a little bit as to how it works. So I'm not going to dive into so much detail, but what really helped me to understand was this actions section here. All right, so under actions, we're going to want to edit this, right? So we want to copy everything to the keyboard here. So you can add different types of actions. I'm only going to do one. I only care about copying and pasting, but you can do so many different things. And it's basically how you can activate LinkClump, right? So when you edit these actions, the way that I have it set up is that when I click on my mouse, the left button, or just tap on the touchpad on my laptop, I have to hold the Z key, all right? The letter Z, I have to hold that so that we can activate LinkClump. And that's when you saw that little colored box, that was a signal that it was working correctly. All right, so that's activation. And then the actual action, I want to copy everything. So you can also just open up all of the different links at once in different tabs and different windows, or bookmark them. So you actually have 4 different actions that you can take. These advanced options, it's basically asking, how much or what information do you exactly want to copy? I'm only doing the URLs. But you can also do the URLs with the titles, right? So the actual text or the anchor text that's in it. So you know what, let me do that example. Okay, so in any case, that's basically it. But like I said, I'll give you the different example here. And let's just copy all of these over here. So we'll paste it down here. And so now you'll see by selecting URLs and titles, I'm also getting, with the Google results, you get a lot more information than just the links here. So maybe helpful, maybe not, but it's a lot faster, right? And the last tip that I'll give you, especially for you SEO folks and everybody just trying to get results from Google, as you might see, whatever I'm hitting the Z key and clicking my mouse, whatever it highlights here, it's going to copy. But maybe I don't want to copy these Quora extra little links here. I just want the actual results. And so what I would recommend is just position your mouse to the far right, right? As far right as you can go, where you're not going to hit this section. So for example, if I just select these titles like this, I'm now limiting everything to just the actual results without those special sub results, if you will. All right. And again, personally, I like to do it without the titles. I don't necessarily need that right now, but if I do, it's just nice to have. All right. So that's LinkClump. The links are in the descriptions. They're free. All right. If I didn't make that clear, this is all free. Perfect. Thank you.